markets today, and one of them was also from the commodity space. We had crude prices which surged on the back of a deal to cut output by OPEC as well as the non-member producers to ease the global supply glut. What does this mean? Manisha Gupta is here with all of the details. Manisha.
Well, the crude oil prices are now up 20% since the previous Vienna meeting, and the Vienna meeting this weekend has had more oil producers joining into the agreement of cutting output. So while OPEC has agreed to cut output by 1.2 million barrels, the non-OPEC also has pitched in by 558,000 barrels, making a total of nearly 1.7 million barrels that would start going off from 1st Jan 2017. The only concern, of course, has been on the compliance issues, but with so many oil producers working together, markets do anticipate that there would be a work done on that as well. The other concern, of course, has been about the US shale output that might see growth now with the prices stabilizing, sustaining on the higher levels. But then there's another number to crash that, because in the last 12 months, you have seen the US growth or US output go down by 8 lakh barrels. So even if 1.8 million is going off the market and there's 8 lakh barrels coming into the market, even then there is that oversupply going off, and that is the reason you have seen the prices running up the way they have been. Of course, the markets do believe that with this kind of a sentiment, you might really see prices hold around these current levels of 55. And there have been various banks like Goldman Sachs, you have ANZ, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch and Nomura all saying that they do expect the prices to gain up to nearly $60, even $70 by mid-2017. But whether or not the prices sustain there is something to watch out for. A quick word on the global demand, and that is around at 96.7 million barrels per day, which is expected to grow by 1.2 million in the next year as well. And that's yet another reason that the markets are anticipating that the weaker or the bearish crude oil prices are now something of a history.